little loose, but competitive. Then on lap 23, disaster strikes. 09 in car number 5 taps Allison, sending him wildly out of control. The scanner tells the story.
We're in a span, Robert, on the backstretch. We're badly damaged, Robert. Timmy's okay, Jim. Come around, Davey. Is the car all right? Sure you're okay, Davey?
Allison gathers himself up and cranks the engine. It fires.
Be ready, Robert. He's moving. Hey, get all your equipment ready, guys. Come in, we'll try to put on 4 times. Get up, wait till I get caught up.
In the pits, Robert Yates is as calm as if Davey were coming in for an oil check.
All right, what we'll do. The only thing we need to do first, you know, if we need 1 tire or whatever, we'll put that on and fix it 1 lap at a time, okay, guys? Gotta have a windshield in it. Have a windshield. Straight. Get the plate. Got a lot of time here, Robert. Hey, put down the window post, Robert. I just broke that windshield. Just another one ready. And I'm gonna tell you what, Jeff and I just flat wrecked our ass then. Robert, when this race is over, y'all better keep me away from that little short son of a gun.
The damage is all external. The hood is gone. The windshield out. The left front fender twisted. Their afternoon once was built on winning. Now it's merely dedicated to survival.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go ahead. Oh, we got a bad one over there, Davey. You want to get in the wall. Turn 2. How's that windshield holding up?
The scanner reveals how the Daytona 500 becomes the duct tape 500 for Robert Yates and the Davey Allison team. 23 laps into the 200-lap Sunday, their dreams go spinning and crashing into the infield's grass. Now crippled and held together with miles of duct tape, Yates and his crew keep the car together.
All right, we got a bad one over there, Davey. You want to get in the wall. Turn 2. Do we need to put tires on it?
He just run into me, hit me in the left ear and turned me around. Hit me right in the left ear and drove me right into the wall, and I ricocheted off the wall. Get the out of here, Jim.
I want to talk to you. You can't talk?
Go on.
Hey, I'm a man about it, Davey. I want to do it.
We'll talk. We'll talk.
I'm sorry.
You impatient little bastard.
Made a mistake, Davey. I certainly didn't do it on purpose.
We can't have that kind of mistake.
Well, you're using your mirror a lot, but that isn't why I did it.
I'm running in a straight line right behind the guy in
That
front of
don't
me.
matter. I'm sorry. I did not do it on purpose. That's all I can say. I know that isn't enough, but I'm sorry. I really didn't do it.
It's tough when you work as hard as the guy.